Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. This is Wanchai station and Lockhart Road. And we're just gonna walk down the street. So it's just getting kind of evening time. So we're gonna walk down. This is the way to the water, to the bay. And then this is kind of a busy street. It's Sunday and the lights, the sun is just going down. So it's kind of maybe a little bit interesting. So you get a feel for it. Alleys. Make sure there's on. May garden. Duck. Okay. So we're just gonna kind of go through here. So this place is called Coyote. I'm just gonna walk through Queen Victoria. Just gonna walk through Churchill's. So okay. Just gonna keep walking all the way down. Thai food. So this is Lockhart Road, chili pub. Lots of people. Let's change money. Actually, we can try to get across this. Okay. So here's a barbecue place. And I'm just gonna keep walking down. You don't see too many of these. These are coin-operated telephone. I'm just gonna keep strolling on down. Let's see. You know. Okay. So this is Lockhart Road and it's Sunday. So the sun just went down, so it's maybe interesting to see it. Pizza. Okay. So that's that street, Lockhart Road. Okay.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.